Hi guys, welcome to Watch Out Crypto. I am Alan Chang. Let's get started. In this episode, we'll cover what is Huobi token, what happened to Nvidia after Ethereum switched from POW to POS, the current status of CoinFlex withdrawals, what is a crypto lawsuit created by the CFTC, Facebook rolling out NFTs for creators, and what's going on with grayscales and the SEC. There's also the latest news in the market movement. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. Many thanks to you all. Cryptocurrency has been a very volatile sector that most investors are not used to. Nvidia's stock price drove up due to the cryptocurrency mining demand. But based on the crypto value keep decreasing and Ethereum switch from POW to POS, which caused miners to bail out, the demand for a graphic card has significantly dropped. The Nvidia stock price dropped 2.46% and closed at 151.59. At the same time, of course, the price dropped down as well. The market predictor might be around 30% of graphic card vanishing. Currently, the graphic card on eBay or other online market are piled up. Even though Nvidia didn't adjust the retail price, but the sales price in the secondary market has decreased by 50%. Mostly because most people don't want to purchase GPU because it might be eliminated in a quarter or two. Seems like a lot of graphic card companies succeed from crypto and also suffer from crypto. These phenomena will just increase instead of fading out. Crypto exchange CoinFlex announced that they will not open up withdrawal as planned. They will keep on fundraising so they can cover the $47 million default from the well-known investor Roger Ver. The CEO of CoinFlex, Mark Lamb, says that the company targets to open up withdrawals for users as soon as possible. The problem is that he still didn't mention the exact date and the amount of fundraising, which is like walking through the old route of Celsius. According to Lamb, they're currently negotiating with jumbo funds, and they're confident that they can get out of this dilemma, because the traditional financial sector buyers is going all in. Well, to me, they have to tell users in the whole world that they're confident or else it'll be game over for them. The question is, are investors still comfortable trusting during this kind of environment? The Commodity Futures Trading Commission filed a lawsuit today against Carolina's Joanna Steinberg and Mir Trading International Proprietary Limited (MTI), charging them with fraud and registration violations. What happened is that the complaint accused Steinberg of engaging in an international fraudulent multi-level marketing scheme that brought in 29,421 bitcoins, which is worth over $1.7 billion. The agency says Steinberg also used his company MTI in the scheme, which ran for nearly 3 years from May 2018 through March 2021. The charge against Steinberg and MTI are the latest action taken by the CFTC, which said in May that it was adding resources to monitor the crypto market. So we can tell that CFTC is not just planning, they're actually starting to take actions now. Big news coming out that Meta, formerly known as Facebook, has begun rolling out NFTs for some US creator on its flagship social network. Facebook is starting with Ethereum and Polygon NFTs, but will soon add support for NFTs on Solana and Flow. The product manager of Meta, Navdeep Singh, shared a sneak peek of what NFT will look like on Facebook in a Twitter post. Users will be able to connect their cryptocurrency wallet to their Facebook profiles. They will also be able to turn their NFTs into Facebook posts, which can be reached to, liked, commented on, and shared just like any other post. I'm personally looking forward to these features coming out so I can play with them, and probably soon you'll see me making an episode out of these. Shares of the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust were traded at a discount of 35% because of the Securities and Exchange Commission's rejection of the application to transition into spot market Bitcoin ETF. As I mentioned before, it'll be really hard for the SEC to approve during this time. FYI, Grayscale is the largest crypto asset management company in the world. Its Bitcoin Trust holds nearly $12.9 billion in asset under management. But investors consider GBTC a less than ideal investment vehicle for Bitcoin exposure, because it's not like ETF products easy to either create or redeem shares. The reason why SEC reject this proposal is because of the market manipulation and customer protection concerns. In my opinion, Grayscale won't give up that easy since they think SEC is discriminating against Bitcoin unfairly. But this should be what they expected. Now, let me explain what is Huobi token. Before we get into details, first of all, let's go through some histories about Huobi. Huobi token is an ecosystem token launched by Huobi Global. Huobi was founded in the year 2013 and has since built one of the largest crypto exchanges in the world. They launched their own native token starting at the year 2018. The Huobi token is distributed through the exchange of the point cards, which is a prepaid cards for basic services on Huobi, which 1 point is equivalent to 1 Tether USDT. For holding Huobi token, it will offer users discount on both trading and margin fees based on the tiered system. Huobi was co-founded by Leon Li, a former computer engineer at Oracle, Jun Zhu, CEO of the Node Capital and Biki.com, and Herbert Raphael Sim, the founder of the Crypto Chain University and media powerhouse with a history at Forbes, Huffington Post, and more. Huobi is ranked number 54 in CoinMarketCap, with a 732 million market cap. It's created to offer benefits such as trading fees and margin discounted access to certain trading events. Huobi has committed to use 20% of the exchange revenue every quarter to buy Huobi tokens in the open market and subsequently burn. They also burn token used in Fast Track to vote on token listing as well, as were ticket sales from Huobi Prime initial exchange offerings. So is Huobi token worth investing in? This is the daily candlestick chart for Huobi token. As we can see, Huobi token is currently traded for around $4.75 US. First of all, Huobi token can be traded against other popular currencies. There are liquidity buybacks in the open market, and transaction fee discount of up to 50% for platform user and Huobi token holders. Token distribution is unique, and Huobi ensures that their investor protection with the corresponding fund. In an easier way to understand, it's a similar version to BNB. I personally like these exchange tokens a lot because they are more stable. As a price forecast, before the end of this year, the price might be able to reach 8.8, and it will be able to break $10 next year. In the year 2025, Huobi has a potential to break $20 USD. So we should keep track of these projects and buy in partially after every drop. This is a weekly candlestick chart of Bitcoin. As we can see, the red candlestick creating currently engulfed the previous green candlestick, but got pushed back to the support zone. According to the hourly candlestick chart of Bitcoin, the movement during the US stock market didn't have any significant move. In this case, the US leading indexes did the same. But after the US stock market closes, all three indicators, moving average, MACD, RSI, all golden crossed. So the market squeezed up for a short term and broke the first pressure zone and left a really long shadow above, but got pushed back to the second pressure zone. And it currently dropped through the first pressure zone again. This is a daily candlestick chart of Bitcoin. As we can see, it's still a bearish pattern after it broke the wedge. There might be a probability it's creating a second leg, so you can keep holding your short position until it's slightly above the green support. Overall, the crypto market is still highly volatile, so please keep risk management as priority. Always keep in mind that anything can happen in cryptocurrency, and use the leverage wisely. Thank you for watching Watch Crypto. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button below. I am Alan Chang. I'll see you next time.